Hi guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV. Right now we are in Corsicana, Texas in our indoor showroom. Do I have a treat for you? We're going to be taking a look at the 243 BHS Solaire Ultralight made by Palomino. Let's take a look. So as soon as we get up front, we're going to have our pass-through storage right here. And then right underneath that, we're going to have our powered stabilizing jacks. Guys, that's right, these are powered. You don't have to hand crank them, none of that hard work. We got you covered. Right behind me, we're gonna have our Solaire 12-volt awning. So it's not like that old school, having to reel it in to drain that water off. These guys will collapse by themselves, drain the water and pop right back out. So we are covered, cool, and having fun. As we continue on, you're gonna see right here, this is for an outside TV mount. Of course, we have our marine grade speakers, so we're enjoying the party, having fun, having that music. Right here, guys, we're gonna have our steps. Super easy about these steps. These little buttons right here will adjust our legs. So no matter what terrain, whether it's rocks, gravel, concrete, we're covered, and we have a smooth ride right in there. Right here, guys, we're gonna have our sink, prep area, and our outside fridge. So no matter what you're doing out here, we have you covered. Again, guys, I want you to take a quick look at how long this awning is. It is humongous. That way we are shaded, having fun, and everything's cool. All right, guys, I got some key features that you're gonna wanna notice here. We have our Furrion pre-wired for rear camera. So whether you're an experienced RVer or it's the first time, it's gonna be a great feature to have. So whether you're backing up the camper, it's gonna help let you know how far back, or if you're just going down the highway and need to eliminate those blind spots, you're able to do so. Talking about blind spots, guys, right here I'm gonna have a receiver hitch right there. So what that's gonna be great for is that luggage rack, the bike rack. We're able to pack more fun on that trip. All right, guys, we're on the off-door side right here. One key feature I definitely wanna point out, this is solar prep. So what that means, guys, we're able to hook up right here, have our solar panel out here. So whether we're off-grid, on the grid, or just want a little extra power, we got you covered. All right, guys, now that we took a look at the outside, let's go in and take a look at more fun. All right, guys, thanks for joining me inside. Right here, as soon as we walk in, we're gonna have our bunks. I want you to understand how massive these bunks are, guys. I actually have one of my friends here today. He's taking a little snoozer, a little nap right there, but guys, we have you covered. Full-size adults able to camp out in here, have fun, but let's continue on. So as we go on, we're gonna be in the bathroom right here. Plenty of room in the shower, plenty of headspace. Guys, I'm 6'4", plenty of headspace here. We're able to see out, great feature to have. Great shower, and then as we continue on, plenty of storage space in the bathroom. All right, guys, we're at the U-shaped dinette. It is a great feature to have here. We have our windows. We're able to enjoy the outdoors while we're having a nice meal. Plenty of space here. Plenty, all this seating all the way around here, but guess what, guys? After dinner's done, let's say we had some extra guests stay over, no worries, this folds down into a bed. All right, guys, right across from our U-shaped dinette, we're gonna have our TV and storage right below there. And then as we continue on to the kitchen, we have our 3-burner stove, our oven, our microwave, of course, up top, plenty of storage in here. Our deep sink right there, and then right across from our sink, guys, we're gonna have our fridge and freezer. Then as we continue on, guys, we'll go right into this. We are in our queen size bedroom, hanging room on both sides. We have the window up front. That is a key feature, guys, you definitely are gonna wanna see. Woo, guys, that was the walkthrough of the 243 BHS. It was fantastic inside and out. One thing that I need from you, I need you to like, follow, and share. Make sure you comment with any questions you may have. We'll get those answered for you, but be taking a look out for our new videos coming up. Remember, guys, the fun starts here.